Alright, what's up you guys? So this is gonna be another quick little video of installing some backup LED lights for the Acura. And but before we do that, I'm actually gonna go right now and have lunch with my wife at her work, and then we'll go ahead and go somewhere, park somewhere, and install these little LED lights real quick. And that will be the end of that video. Okay. So lunch was good. Thanks for asking. Had a little Chipotle. So today we'll be tackling the last LED part of the car, which is the reverse Jesus, I can't talk. The reverse lights. Those are the last thing that are not LEDs. LED lights. Those are the one of the cheapest modification you can do to your car, which especially if it's an older car like this car, which is a 2005, and to make it more modern, to make it more aesthetically pleasing, is to do LED conversions. Now, in this car, I've converted I'm pretty sure everything to LEDs except the reverse lights, which we will be tackling today. So to do a quick overview of said LEDs, I'll show you. Actually, scratch that. The other thing that I have not converted to LEDs are the lights right here on the lights right here on the media console. So these aren't LEDs. Actually, these are, I started converting them. These are LEDs, but not these. These are not LEDs yet. So, for instance, right here, the dome lights, LEDs, you can already see, bright white. They're really bright, but right now we're in the day, so it's not as prominent. The other part of LEDs is right here. You can see it right there. LEDs, back seat. LEDs. These lights right here, LEDs, you can see. Sorry for the wind in advance. LEDs, what else? Right, the lights on the headlights are LEDs as well. You guys can't tell because it's not on, but here, let me turn it on for you guys. See? LEDs. So the last thing that's not LEDs is the reverse lights, which are these right here. That A and B. So those are what we'll be tackling today. I've got some of my tools right there. Oh wait, so just a quick tip. I'm saying this because I already broke this part, but you can see right here. These has to come out in order to take this fabric off, so you can get to these lights. I broke it. I broke these two tabs right here already. You can see because they actually push from this side, at least from left to right, and then you pull out. So let's do it to here real quick. So push this way and out. There you go. Comes out easily. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory. Right over here, Phillips head right there, and you should be able to get to it. Alright, done. Rear lights are done. You can see it right there. See it right there? Man, I'm sure there's a way to actually put this on, but putting the actual cover on this took longer than putting the new lights. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next video.